Well, let's get another check of the weather. We're taking a live look right now from Lake Atlanta. That's a place to be, as you can say. As you can see here, folks, throwing the ball around. Got a few dogs enjoying a sublime Sunday with these warm temperatures. The weekend wrapping up nicely, but do we see a few showers in the forecast here? Robert's been talking about it. Let's find out what's going on.
Yeah, we could. We're definitely in that mid to late June weather pattern, and I am not a fan.
No,
already.
humidity.
Yeah, not ready for that.
Yeah.
But there is some below average temperatures possible as we get into the middle part of the month, which we will talk about here in just a second, folks. But first, we'll take you back outside and show you what it looks like in Fort Smith. A lot of overcast creeping in. We started out the day with lots of sunshine, but those clouds moved in, and we've got a pretty thick blanket in some locations. You can see a mix of clouds and sunshine here in Springdale as well as in Fayetteville. So partly to mostly cloudy skies across northwest Arkansas as well as the River Valley. Now this upcoming week is going to be a tricky one. We are going to see low predictability in our weather pattern. That's just the way that it is, unfortunately. We could see some clusters of storms try to form tomorrow. For some of you, maybe not others. And we're going to see those rain chances pretty much every day throughout the entire week. Some days the rain chances will be better than others. Other days it could be just at night. Sometimes it'll just be in the morning. We'll show you that with the extended forecast. Here's the big picture. You can see some clusters of storms here outside of Chicago, southeast Iowa, a couple of showers, southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, more clusters of storms firing up across northern Texas, just like yesterday. These should stay well to our south, pretty much south of the Red River, I think. So we don't have to worry about those tonight. More severe thunderstorms there again back across portions of southeast Iowa. Temperatures right now upper 70s and lower 80s across northwest Arkansas. A few degrees cooler than we were yesterday because of the more persistent cloud cover. Lower 80s, no 90s, thankfully, in the River Valley at this hour. We'll be nice and quiet tonight. Notice our southerly winds. Models are saying, yeah, maybe there's a stray rogue renegade sprinkle out there tonight, but really no big deal. We'll have a cluster of storms move well to our north and east. You've got travels between Springfield and St. Louis tomorrow morning. That could be a little bit on the moist side, but notice this boundary well to our north as it sags toward our area. That's when it could spark some showers later tomorrow after sunset is what it's looking like right now. But these forecasts change with almost every model run. Right now, I'm not looking like widespread severe weather, but heavy downpours, your typical daytime heating type stuff that could last into the early morning hours and finally make its way into the River Valley as we get toward Tuesday morning. An isolated severe storm certainly possible tomorrow. Greatest chances will be to our north and our east. Now, over the next 6 to 10 days, temperatures may actually cool off a few degrees, and we could be basically right near average. But as we go 8 to 14 days out, that changes, and we could see below average temperatures, which will be nice. Highs more in the 50s and 60s than the 80s and the 90s. There's a look at those lows tonight. Another muggy night in the upper 60s, and then highs tomorrow rebounding back up into the upper 80s to lower 90s, unfortunately. But we do start to cool off as we go through the rest of the week. Notice all those rain chances, but no days of washout. Wednesday, maybe Thursday, the better chances for widespread rainfall. Then those chances really fall off as we get toward the end of the week. River Valley, about the same thing. Numerous impact days mixed in there as well. And then those rain chances start to subside as we get toward the end of the week. Hey, guess what, everyone? Meredith Mulkey's in the studio. She's getting ready to bring you some hot hog sports right after the break.